Asian 13 spice patties, basically burgers with no bun. Our list of ingredients for this meal is: we're just going to take all the meat we have, dump it into a bowl, and start mixing it. I know on the ingredient list I have 13 spice listed, but 5 spice will also do the job if you have it on hand. And we're just going to mix this up. Everything is seen on the ingredient list is everything we're going to use. Nothing more, nothing less. Everything's going to get mixed into one bowl for our meat. This is going to be a wet mix. So don't be surprised if you see it looking real wet and mushy like. And we're going to start with that for now. Go ahead and put some salt in that back one. We'll be using that for our noodles. I'm going to go ahead and turn that on. I'm going to put a little bit of oil in here for our meat. That's just because it's fairly lean what I'm using. And let's get mixing. I'm using 2 different kinds of meats this time. Okay, I can definitely smell the spice in it. I do want to put in a lot more soy sauce. I am going to add in some more salt. Okay, I'm going to keep going. I'm going to put a little bit more spice in. The soy sauce is overpowering it a little. Okay, I'm going to toss the noodles in. That water is getting pretty hot. And I'm going to start making our patties here. I'm just going to move this oil around so it coats the whole bottom. I'm just looking for an even coat. This way when I put the patties in, everything's going to have at least a little bit of coating under it. It's going to help it from sticking. And so it's going to help brown up some. All right. So I'm just going to take out a rough size here. I'm just grabbing a big handful and putting it in. Now for kids, I'm going to make them a little bit smaller. So there we have 4 patties, 2 real large, 2 small. I've got some extra here that will cook up afterwards. I'm just going to, since my hand's already messed, just kind of break it up a little bit and even them out so I have something to work with later. These I can just dump in or grab with my hand or spatula, wherever I want. Okay, so I'm going to set this aside. And I'm going to go ahead and turn this on. But I'm going to kick it down to medium for now. And if I want to hold tight here while I get cleaned up. Okay, I'm back here. Just going to give us a little stir to make sure it's not sticking and break it up. We're starting to get a little bit of action here with our meat. Now, and I put some oil in there, but I'm seeing a lot of water. That shouldn't be happening. So one of the meats I got, they must have added extra water into. I went ahead and put my corn in. It's running now. Just to start, I'll actually finish it off after this stuff gets closer. That's still real hard, but going. This here, I'm going to give about another minute or so, then we're going to flip them. And we'll judge the heat at that point. I'm going to try to do it without cutting away, just speeding up. Just kind of give these a flip. Then I move some of this around, fluid around, so I'm not putting it directly on a dry skillet. I don't want that to brown too much too quick because it's still got a little ways to go cook through. The noodles are doing just fine. And we'll sit and watch this for another minute or two. Okay, let's step back in here again. They're going pretty good, the noodles are. Let's go ahead and flip these again. There you go, I'm starting to see a little bit of color there, that's what I'm hoping for. Alright, let's just get them all flipped. Get that bottom covered again. And I lost one. That's alright, I got extra. Go ahead and keep an eye on that for me, please. Okay, since I have it available, I am going to go ahead and check my temps on the meat here in a second. I know I just have a little bit way to go, but I want to see how much time we have left. Yeah, we definitely got a few more minutes on that. And I know we're going to be a few more minutes on this one. It's starting to stiffen up. But I know we're nowhere near. Let's find out. So right now we're right around 145, still climbing. We're getting real close. We're hitting about 150. About 152. So we probably got another minute or so going this, and about the same on our noodles back here. Yeah, I'm starting to get a nice color in all these. I'm going to go ahead and check on the corn, and I'll be right back. Okay, now I apologize, I meant to put this out front to be easier to see, and completely slipped my mind. Now we're getting a lot of nice cover on here. Let's get some of this down here underneath of it. I know I didn't do it for this one. I've seen it on the other one. We'll give this about another minute. We'll give this about another minute. I'll put the corn in for about another minute, and then we should be about done. All right, let's take another reading here. Hit 150. We're right at 160 common. I say we are done. Let's go ahead and shut this off. I kept that on about medium the whole time. The burner I was using is kind of a dual burner. It's got the centerpiece plus the outer one. So it gave a nice even heat all the way across the bottom here. Let's give this a try. Yeah, they're feeling real nice. Come on, come on, come on. Someone work with me here. I'll accept that. We're going to turn that off too. Let's go ahead and get these noodles drained. Corn's real simple since it's frozen. I just dump some out on the plate. The noodles, we're just going to scoop some on. And as for burgers, or patties, I should say, we're just going to drop that on. You can probably see that side. We'll flip over, take a look at this side. They both got good color on it. There you have it. Give it a try. Let us know what you think. And happy eating.